Hi, I'm Tamara and I'm the house coordinator, and today we're going to go through a short video on how to play WOOBALL, Woodvale's new house game, which is a version of Dodge with a Woodvale Secondary College spin to it. As a teacher, when you get into the gym, you will have all students sitting down and you will go through the explanation of the rules briefly, and then you'll have students get onto either side of the court. One house will be wearing just their regular shirts and the other house will be wearing the gym shirts, which you will be provided with. When you set up the cones, no student is to go on the other half of the cones. They are to stick to their own half. And on the cones, there will already be dodgeballs on each of the cones for you already set up. Have the students at the back of the wall touching the wall, ready to go. On your say-so, you will give the instructions for students to go. And when you do that, you will also kick off the balls from the centre, as you can see on the video here, and students will come for those balls and they will start throwing the balls at each other to attempt to hit the opposition. If the opposition is hit full on, then they will run to the other side of the court at the back, and that is called jail, and they will stand in the jail. You can fend off, as this boy did then, with the ball by using the ball to bounce the ball off. However, if you are hit, you have to go back. Now, when you are in jail, as those students are at the back there, the player can attempt to get their person out of jail by throwing. If the person catches on the full, then they will run out. If they miss, as the person did previously, then both the person is still in jail and the person who threw the ball to them. If the ball is caught, like this young chap caught it, then they will run out and they can go back into gameplay. They are able to be hit as soon as they get to the other side. We can see here that the boys are trying to attempt to get the ball into the hoop. If the ball goes directly into the hoop, then that is a way of winning the actual game overall. That's WOOBALL for you in a nutshell. There is a list of instructions that you'll have access to that you can go through. Have fun with the game. Students will soon start to know it and they'll run the game for them. If you miss something, don't worry. Read the instructions and most of all, have fun with the kids while they're playing with it. Good luck.